How to play Emoji Pong on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to play the Emoji Pong game on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app opens, go to the Direct Messages section by tapping on the message icon at the top right corner of the homepage. Next, select any chat or inbox that you want to play with. It can be a friend, family member, or anyone you are connected to on Instagram. Inside the chat, go ahead and send an emoji. You can use any emoji, but it works best with round emojis like a basketball, football, or even a smiley face. After sending the emoji, tap on it once. Immediately, the Emoji Pong game will start inside the chat window. The idea of the game is simple. You tap on the screen to bounce the emoji, and your goal is to keep it moving without letting it fall. You can continue tapping to build a streak, and it becomes more fun the longer you play. This is a hidden mini-game within Instagram that many people don't know about. If the game does not work when you tap on the emoji, it might be because your Instagram app is outdated. In that case, go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram, and update it to the latest version. Once updated, go back and try again, and the feature should now be available. I hope this tutorial has helped you play Emoji Pong on Instagram. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to play Emoji Pong on Instagram.